guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing February Boxy Charm Base Box and Premium Unboxings. I know I'm kind of late to this and everyone and their mama's already done their video. I know. So I got my boxes on the 10th and I was so busy this week I just didn't have time to do this. So I'm just going to sit down and do it today. And I'm going to start with the base box, and if you don't know already, this box, it is the base box. It is a monthly subscription box and it retails for $25 American. You will have to pay $5 shipping if you are a Canadian. And let's get started. This box, it is rather small compared to my most boxes that I get. I feel like it's a little small. So I just want to say that the dimensions are 23 by 18 by 8 centimeters, and it is 0.62 kilograms. So that's really weird. My box doesn't have a card this month, which is kind of weird. I always get a card. So I'm just going to start with the first thing that I see here, and these are Alamar Cosmetics. It's a brush trio. I'm sure if you looked up BoxyCharm's unboxing for this month, you probably already know what's in the boxes anyways. I don't even know what variation this is because there's no card. So I love how these brushes have the little nets on them to protect them. So I mean, you have what looks to be complexion brushes in my point. These are very, very, very soft. But this looks like a foundation brush and it's got little bumpies on the top. I don't know if you can see that. That is so cool. It probably looks like a foundation brush because it's blunted. This is an angled brush, so I mean I will use this for like contour, or bronzer. I would definitely use this for bronzer. And this little guy, I would use this underneath my eye. So hey, listen, these handles are so cute. I might just want to add, they're so cute. The brushes feel so soft, and hey, I am never mad about getting makeup brushes in my box. I love makeup brushes and I hate washing them. So the more I have, the better. Yes. Okay, so I found the brushes, and the brushes retail for $36 American, so roughly about $50 Canadian, I want to say. Next we have the Facial Radiance Pads, and these are by First Aid Beauty. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So here's the package right here. There are only 28 pads in here, and I am not going to open this because I know exactly what this product is, and I am currently using this product every day. So I went to makeup school and we always tone, moisturize, and prime. So what do I tone with? Right now I am toning with these pads. This is actually the value size. They do come in a bigger container where you can get 60 pads. I want to say it is 60 pads. So this is 28. So I actually have one right here that is already open and that I am currently using. It has no scent at all. I put this on before I moisturize and prime every night before I go to bed, and every morning I put this on before my makeup and my skincare, and I love this product. So the full size one is $44 for 60 pads, and the mini one is $22. I'm going to show you. $22. Okay, so this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I'm not mad at this. So it says lock-in makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Powder. It's a delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to the beach. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder, smooth over makeup for a crease-free soft focus finish with no flashback. So the shelf life on this is 18 months. Is made in Taiwan. You get 0.52 ounces of product. It's a very, very white powder. Okay, very, very white. I don't want to open it yet because I have so many setting powders opened. So I'll leave you updated in the future about what I think of this. But I mean, it looks really nice. Anyways, I'm excited about it. Ciate London Setting Powder was not at Sephora actually. So I looked it up online, and it is out of stock, of course. A lot of times the items that you get in BoxyCharm are out of stock. I don't know if they just buy everything or if they just temporarily put it out of stock. I don't know what the deal is with that, but it is $22 American, so that would be about I mean, close to about $30 or so, Canadian, I want to say. This unboxing feels so weird without the card. I just want to say that. So next we have, what is this? It's by Queen, spelled Qveen, and it's a lipstick, and I got the color in Wifey. Oh, that looks really pretty, actually. That looks super pretty. I'm gonna try this on. It's so soft. That's the color. It does not go with my it does not go with my look today. I just want to say that. That's probably gonna like bug me for this rest of this video. I may end up just taking it off, but that was very easy to apply and it dried down kind of quickly. I'm gonna wear it for a while. Just to see if it becomes uncomfortable. No transfer. It is a liquid lipstick, so I didn't expect it to, but hey, I'm not a lipstick person, but this is a new brand to me and I'm like, okay, sure, why not? And the lipstick's about $17 American, so which works out to be, I want to say about $21. Let's see if we have anything else in here. Oh, okay. Yes, this one I am totally happy about. So this was one of our choice items for this month. It was either this or the QMS eye cream and Iconic London eyeshadow palette, I believe, and a couple of different other things. So I definitely chose this one because if I get the opportunity to try out a high-end skincare for a very, very good value, then I definitely will do that. This is a Kate Somerville. It is a biomimicking peptide, smooth and firm serum. So it's a 5-peptide blend. Okay guys, look at this. So how many mils is this? It is 30 mils, 1 fluid ounce, and look on here. So this serum is $129. Right? I know. So we got 5 full-size products, which gave us the value of $252 approximately Canadian. So yeah, and the box was $25 American. So not bad, right? I don't think that's a bad get up. I really don't. I'm excited for the brushes. I definitely could use the pads. Always down for a good setting powder. That peptide serum, so excited about that. So this box was yes, and this lipstick, by the way, very comfortable. I would say it's a very nice color, totally clashes with my sweater. So I'm gonna take it off to unbox the premium, but I am not disappointed in my box this month. Yay. Because I had a little rough patch there for a while, but this is good. This is okay. Okay guys, I had to take that lipstick off. It was totally distracting me. Beautiful color and a really, really comfortable, may I add. So this is the premium box for the month, and she's quite heavy. She measures 28 by 25 by 10 centimeters, and she's 1.48 kilograms. So, I mean, one of the, because I watched the spoilers again, yes I did, and one of the options was a hair straightener or a Carity eyeshadow palette. I really want the hair straightener, I really do. I really do. Knowing me, I will not get it, because that's just how things work for me. But if I do, I'll be happy. I'll be very happy. Ah, I got a card. Okay, so this month, it's so cute. Look, it's ribbons. And there's like little words on the ribbons. Like adore. Oh, there's just one word. Adore. But it's like in a lot of places. Variation 23. So let's get started. Oh, yes. And I did want this, you know. I really wanted to buy it on my own. But I like, you know, one of those urges that I was actually able to fight. And I didn't pick this up ever, but I've always wanted to own it. And it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. The Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist is so delicate. It envelopes. I don't know if that's the right word. Skin like morning fog. Skin like a morning fog. It envelopes. Elope? I don't know what the hell is the word. Skin like the morning fog. That is a really weird way of putting it. The formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus that refreshes and softens the skin to enhance makeup. It's kind of small though. I think it's the full size, but it's kind of small. Currently using setting mist, so I probably shouldn't. use this, but I really want to see. Okay, so you could really see inside, like, all of the little particles kind of floating around. I guess that is the watermelon. And she's so cute. Oh, this little chubby mister. I'm gonna try it. Oh, yes. That is a fine mister. That is like putting perfume on your face, but it feels really nice and smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. That's what it smells like. And can you just give a second? Like, what? It's so pretty. So the Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultra Fine Glow Mist is right here. And she is $37 at Sephora. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put my hand in. I'm going to take out what's next. So, we got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. And, yes, right here. Let me see the color. Ooh, and it has a mirror. Not like a mirror is necessary to put your blush on, but she's cute. This is the color. Right here. That is, it's not yellow, guys. It's not yellow. It's like an off-white. It is definitely not yellow. It looks yellow on camera, but it's really not. Oh, so soft. I'm not a blush person, but like, I know this is a bougie product and I probably would not pick this up unless I had a gift card or something, but I would not. It has a little bit of a sheen right here. See the color? Very cute. This is in the color a Diffused Heat. You get 4.2 grams. Oh, the mist, if I didn't say it, it is 75 mils. So like it's over 2 ounces. So that's pretty cool, right? The packaging looks small for being like 2 ounces. Okay, so here are the blushes right here. I found it on Sephora and $52 for a blush. I would never spend $52 for a blush. 4.2 grams, yeah. What? What? That is insane. All right. Ooh. Okay, so this is Korres Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom Body Butter. And just wait for 1 second. This is a Korres lotion, Korres lotion that I'm currently using. And you can find these at Shoppers Drug Mart. And I know the one near me, near the Square One area, has this line right by the cosmetic checkout center. A little display of all the Korres goodies. And I'm currently using this one and I love it. Okay, I love it. And I believe I ordered this for some friends for some gifts. And this particular scent, and I also ordered the fig one, and I kind of was like, which one do I want? And I didn't really enjoy the smell of the fig. And I already gifted the vanilla, and I was like, oh, I just want to have that vanilla one in my life again. Or I just want to have that vanilla one in my life, and I have it right now. I'm so stoked about it. I did see a couple of unboxings of this box, and there was like basil lime or something like that, and I do not like the smell of either of those. I have a deodorant, and it kills me. Ugh. That has that scent combo, so I'm so glad I didn't get that, and I got the vanilla one. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a few opened body waters that I need to use before I open this one, but oh, I love it. What is this retail for? This retails for $32. Yeah, I believe it's $44 at Shoppers Drug Mart. It's like $44 or $42. Okay, that is super exciting. Okay, next product. Okay, guys. I got the hair straightener, and she comes in a cute little bag. It is the Sutra 100% solid. It's ceramic, it's not titanium, okay, but it's magnetized plates, heats up to 450, iconic technology, floating plates to customize style, temperature control, dual voltage, 360 degrees swivel cord. Swivel cord is important to me. I like that feature. And this is the cutest color. It kind of is like the blue version of my sweater. Oh, she looks so cute. Look at this. Look at the shape of it. Yes, BoxyCharm is good to me today. Okay, so this one I found it on eBay for $92.77, but I also see that Hudson's Bay carries this brand too, or you can buy it off their website. Anyways, I see that this one here is retailing $92.77 Canadian. Okay, what's next? Okay, pretty. This is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So it's kind of like, I guess, their face tape foundation. But this is like the primer that matches the face tape. So it's like the base tape. And she's just white like this. It's 30 mils, 12-hour hydration, coconut infused, another coconut product. Coconut's really big in the industry right now, it would seem. I just did a whole face of e.l.f. That's what I'm wearing today. A whole face of e.l.f. and there's a few coconut products in there as well. And then it soothes the appearance. Doesn't say of what, but it says soothes appearance and it extends the wear of foundation. So yes for that. I will definitely be giving this one a try, so let me just see what that feels like. Oh, it's very lightweight, very watery. It does have a coconut smell. Not too overpowering. And this very silky, very silky. Oh, that really left my skin feeling nice. Compared to this hand, what? Wow. That, I just want to put that all over my body. That feels so nice. My hand looks so much better. Like, it looks like it's 5 years younger, guys. I really like that one. I'm happy with this one. Oh, I'm happy with my Boxies this month. Yay, Boxy. So let's do the price of this one. So I think that that one is like an Ulta exclusive because so is the face tape. So I'm going to look on Ulta. Okay, so here she is, and I love Tarte. You go to the website, pulls up Canadian prices. I love that. So right here, you can see it retails for $39 Canadian. And I can't even buy it in Canada anyways unless I order it online, so yay. Anything else in here? Oh. I just want to put out there that I know there's a lot of controversy on the go with BoxyCharm right now and about like products and in manufacturing and ingredients and brands and stuff like that. Most recently, this one, this fascia 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. I'm not going to open it, okay? Because there is not a whole lot of information about this line. Like, BoxyCharm is saying it retails for $100. And then there's a lot of controversial videos out on YouTube now about this product in particular. Like, if you want to go look them up, be free, do you. But I'm not comfortable putting this on my skin just yet until I actually find out more about this brand. So BoxyCharm says this retails for $100, so that'll be like $140 Canadian. Like, seriously. Let's just try looking it up just to see. So people are selling it on Poshmark for $30, but I'm assuming those are the ones that they got in their BoxyCharm. So with that, the total would be $403. I paid $35 American for this box, and value is $403. Like, I am so happy with my box. Like, everything was a win. Everything literally was a win. This could be a win, but like, I'm not willing to find out just yet. Like, let's see. Let's wait a little while. Let other people try it out. If anybody decides to try it out. Like, poor girl, if she poured her heart out into this company to start this company, then this is her downfall. Like, so, but other than that, like, I am totally happy with everything, all of my goodies, and thank you, Boxy, yes, for sending me this good box and not sending me the Clarity eyeshadow palette, because I like it, but like, I can probably go and find it on my own, and I need a straightener. Anyways, guys, that's it for my video today. If you like this video and you like me, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, ciao.